Hey, welcome to the channel. Well, I have something very useful and practical and inexpensive to show you today. If you're like me and you fly a lot of drones, you probably fly the little mini ones because they're so inexpensive and you end up with all these batteries. Look at all the freaking little batteries I have here. These are all like one cell batteries. So, you got to charge them, and each of these batteries, little batteries, will come with, I'm dropping them everywhere, they come with a USB charger. That's fine, but you can only charge one battery at a time. So let me show you what Banggood sent me. They sent me this 6-in-1 mini charger with a color screen. So basically you can put six, these little batteries in of different types into this here little charging device and charge them up all at once, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing, show you how it works, and yeah, see if it's something you like, and I'll put the links below of where you can actually find this on the Banggood website. Check it out. Here's the box. Let's take a look at what you get inside. And it is the actual, oh, there we go. So we have some instructions, and we actually have the charger right here. Tiny little thing with a color screen. Yeah, there it is. There's a little bit of plastic on top, which I'll take off. Take that plastic off so it looks nice and new. And now I'm going to give you a really fast tour of this here 6-in-1 portable charger. So basically that's your display. It's going to be color as soon as I turn it on. 3 buttons to control all your settings. And then down here it shows you that you can run this thing on a voltage of either 6 all the way up to 20 volts. And it also shows you that when it's charging batteries, it will charge them at a rate of 0.1 amp all the way up to 1 amp. And if you attach some sort of USB device that you want to charge, like your cell phone or something else you have that's a USB device, it can actually output all the way up to 2 amps at 5 volts. And it tells you right here that it does different types of batteries. Now let me show you the side. So on one side, this is where you would plug in your 1-cell batteries of whatever type they are. So you have a JST connector, all these other connectors, and then it repeats itself for slot number 2, slot number 3, slot number 4, and slot number 5. So you can plug in 5 different batteries. Plus, you can also plug in a USB output. That's why it's called a 6-in-1. Next, you have to power this with some sort of power source. So I have a 4-cell battery right here. This runs at 14 volts. So if I plug this in, watch what happens. It's going to give this thing life. There we go. And now our little charger comes alive. So on your screen, it shows you here, that's the type of battery you want to charge. So all the way with your 5 inputs, I said they're all LiPos. The max I'm going to charge is up to 4.2 volts. That's normal for a 1-cell. And over here is how many amps we're sending out. Next, you have these 3 buttons down here. And if I push one, I'm going to go into settings. So you can adjust all your settings right here any way you wish. Next over here is my battery types. So I have 5 slots. And right here, the first one is incorrectly set. There we go. That should be LiPo because I never use lithium high voltage. So let's change that to a LiPo. There we go. So there we go, LiPo. I could change a few other settings too. See that 0.6? That's wrong too. That should be 0.5. That's usually what I charge most batteries at, especially if they're 1-cell. So we're all set to go. So let's plug in a few batteries. So I've got a pile of 1-cells down here. And let's see. That's a JST connect. Oh, there we go. So you can see it. That's a JST connector. So let's put this one in over here. That's going to be a number 5 if I get that in correctly. There we go. That will charge that up. Here's some sort of little mini connector. Let me plug that one in over here. I'll put it in slot number 4. What do we have on the back? Let's see. We have some weird, there's a big connector and there's not even a cable on this one. Let's just plug that in. What else do I have here? I've got, a mini one. Let's try this one, a little mini one here. And let's see if I can get it up to 5. I'll put another JST plug in here. There's 5 batteries hanging off. It looks like Medusa here with everything sticking out. And if you look on this side, they're all LiPos. And then down the next side is the voltage. You can see the voltage is all over the place. Has to get up to 4.2 and then they're fully charged. And this is the amount of amps that are being sent to each of the batteries. And that's it. And you can still plug a USB device in here to charge that, your cell phone or whatever. So there, I'm holding it all in one hand here and I can walk around with it. It's all being charged off this battery. So if you have a 4-cell, a 3-cell, or a 2-cell battery with the XT60 connector, then you're all good to go. All right, guys, if you want to check this out on the Banggood website, there might be some coupons. I don't believe it's very expensive. Tiny little box, so shipping's next to nothing. Anyways, I think it's pretty cool, especially for a guy like me because I'm always charging my 1-cell batteries. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and we'll catch you in the next one.